All right, ladies, for today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to achieve these soft, beautiful curls while also showing you my secret weapon to thick hair. So let's get started. Right here, I just have my natural hair. It's just been air dried. I'm going to start to curl this with a 1 1/4 inch barrel. Now, if you have a wand, that works great. If you just have a regular curling iron like this, you can use that as well. So I'm just going to be wrapping the hair around the iron. Now, wrapping the hair as opposed to curling it the more traditional way is going to be 2 different curls. So because I'm going for a relaxed curl here, you want to make sure that you wrap the hair around the barrel. So you can see as well, I'm leaving out just a little bit of hair at the bottoms. This is again going to help with that kind of relaxed boho vibe we're going for. And another trick that I like to do whenever I'm doing these curls, just to make them last longer throughout the day, is once I wrap it and then I'm going to release it, then I'll hold it in my hand for just a second to let that initial heat off of the hair. And this really helps to maintain that curl throughout the day. So we finished curling the entire head, and now I'm moving on to texture spray. I'm just gonna work that in with my fingers, really make sure it has nice buildable texture. Now, I told you guys I had a secret weapon, and here it is. This is the Cashmere one-piece extension. Mine is in the shade Pale Ash Blonde. I love this thing because it is one piece, it's quick and easy, and it gives me instant, a little bit of length, but mostly a lot of volume. So as you can see, to just put this in, I'm just going to separate my hair. I like to go a little bit lower when I'm using the one piece, just so that it's not peeking through at the top. So I'll just divide my hair and place this in. I've seen this done a few different ways, but I like to use put in the bottom clips first. This just kind of helps me to secure it, and then I go over and secure all 4 of the top clips. Oh, I just love this. Added volume in seconds. It's exactly what I needed to make this look perfect. So as you can see, I'm just kind of brushing my fingers through to incorporate my natural hair together with the extensions in. Now, this would be super cute with a deep side part and a really romantic clip here. But like I said, I'm going for a boho look. So we're gonna use this adorable flower crown. Now this would be so pretty for a bride with a veil over it. Even for bridesmaids would just be gorgeous. So I hope you guys love this finished look, and I will catch you guys next time.